This is just a quick little video on this really hard level. As you can see, it's very tight. Everything has to be extra wide and very precise. And I just thought it will be fun. Now, please don't be asking me for this particular type of view because I don't recommend it. I really don't. I'm going really slow. I'm already 4 minutes, nearly 5 minutes into this level, and it was just really hard to control. So I had to go really slowly, and I had to think about it because when the truck is pointing upwards, it makes so much more sense because left is left and right is right. If you're going down, and it gets really confusing, or if you're going from side to side and you're trying to turn left and right, it just gets really confusing. So trust me, it's in the right place. Like I could not control the trailer inside in this little area right here where I'm basically kind of offsetting. I was too close. And it was a bloody nightmare. I was getting really frustrated. I was like gonna scrap this entire video. But anyway. Okay, that's my video. Take care. Good luck. Bye bye.